This is round 4 of the vintage qualifying race, and we're deep into the season. Things are heating up. The championship battle is tighter than ever, and today it's going to be an all-out war against Chase Westmoreland and pro rider Jared Braun. I'm riding my 2003 Yamaha R6, a mostly stock bike, but I'm out here defending my championship, going head-to-head with 1000cc monsters up front. This race is all about pure skill, precision, and fearless riding. If you love intense battles and edge-of-your-seat action, you're in the right place. Turn the volume up and let's get into it. Coming toward the end of the first lap, and I'm leading this race, just like a champion should. As soon as the lights go out, I pray for a strong launch, and this time, I nailed it. After that, no looking back. If I don't see your front wheel, I don't need to worry about who's behind me. I just focus forward. Right now, I'm riding medium fast, not pushing to my absolute limit. After all, I'm leading both the race and the championship. And at the end of the day, it's points that win titles, not just fastest laps. The weather is perfect, and thanks to my Dunlops, the tires are finally starting to hook up. The grip is there, the confidence is building, and now I'm catching traffic from the other wave. Up ahead, heading into lap 2, I've got some decisions to make. Let's see how this plays out. Now we're into lap 3, and I believe that's Chase chasing me down. Not too sure, but what I do know is that there's some serious lap traffic ahead. This race is all about cutting through riders like a hot knife without losing your pace, and trust me, that's easier said than done. It's tricky because you never know how these riders will react when you put yourself next to them mid-corner. One wrong move, hesitation, or miscalculation, and you could lose valuable time or worse. It's not just about passing them, it's about making sure you get away. If you pass but don't create a gap, you're just inviting pressure from behind. Time to slice through cleanly and keep this lead intact. Here we have my buddy Michael Bazzo on his R6 bike number 440. He's got a really nice setup on that thing. I'm just gonna focus on getting a strong drive onto the back straight, giving Mike all the space he needs to stay focused and ride his line. No need to force anything here, just clean, smart racing. Number 7-10, Alexander Ray, up ahead. If I time this just right, I can slip past both him and the next rider in one clean move and keep my pace strong heading into the next sector. Oh, look at that move. He's swerving through the last turn, trying to squeeze his way up a position, darting left and right, searching for any gap he can find. But little does he know, I'm right behind him, setting up my own attack. Momentum is everything right now, and I have to keep it going. I can't afford to get caught up in their battle or let my drive get cut off. It's all about staying smooth, staying focused, and pushing forward. Final lap, and it's also the fastest lap of the race. This is it, guys. Everything comes down to this moment. Up ahead, number 37 Siraj Arabi gets a nasty head shake as he gets on the gas. That's going to cost him some drive. And just ahead of him, national champion Trevor Dion. I think he's just out here testing, but that doesn't change the fact that he's still a serious obstacle. I stay sharp, make my moves, and it's full send to the checkered flag. And that's a wrap. P1 at the line, full points secured, and a front row start for Sunday's final. That last lap, insane. Pure adrenaline, pure joy. A solid ride from start to finish, and another win in the books. If you enjoyed the action, smash that like button and share this with someone who loves racing. It really helps get these battles in front of more people. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe, because the biggest races of the season are coming up. The competition is only getting tougher, and you don't want to miss what happens next. See you in the next one.